Just do a quick unboxing video. Just got it delivered today. Just another R34. The limited edition. It's the same as that white one there, but it's in blue. So nothing exciting. The box is damaged. Not a good sign. Yeah, this box is damaged, man. Just harms the resale value, doesn't it, when the box is damaged? Look at the state of that. Nothing else is damaged. Well, the car's alright, so nice colour, not bad. I will unscrew the car. So that is it. I bought that display case purely for them two cars. The white one came really quick. The white one came about 6 weeks ago, but the blue one's taken about 3 months to come. But that was the display case I got purely for them cars. Here we can see the blue one is number 35 out of 599, and you get a little GTR bit of card with the date on it was made. Yeah, and you also get some little stickers here. Get some little wheel logos for the rims, and then them ones, I will put them on. That was the first time putting them on that one, and they went on quite easy, to be fair. So yeah, I will put the stickers on at some point. Yeah, that's it. Looks pretty cool. Thanks for watching.